and welcome to Google Programming. If you are new to program and want to learn Python from scratch, then you will in the right place. In this complete Python course, I teach you everything step by step in the simplest way possible. By the end of this series, you are able to build your warm Python project and have a strong foundation for interview and real world development. Now, what is Python? Python is a high level interpreted and easy to read program language. It is one of the most popular program language in the world because its syntax is simple and easy to understand. Where you are a student, a beginner, or one of switching career, Python is an excellent language to start with. Now, before we start the full playlist, first of all, we discussed the roadmap of Python course. Now, there are how many modules totals? There are 15 modules, include project. We also do projects in the whole playlist. Now, the first module is this is the first module. The first module is Python Basic. Before we start the Python course, we knowing some knowledge about the Python. So the first module is Python Basic. So first topic is what is Python. Then second is history of Python. Then third is future of Python. Then application of Python for installing how to install Python and VS Code. Writing your first program. Then seventh number is comment in Python. Then the eight is keywords and identifiers. This is the first module of this playlist. Then we move to second module. The second module is variable and data type. The ninth topic is variable, then naming rules, then data types. We also take about the data types, that is int, what is int, float, string, bool, complex. We all things are discussed in the whole video or whole playlist. The 12 number is type conversion and the 13 is type function. How type function. This is the module 2. And I include the PDF in description of this video. So please check it. And the module 3. Then module 3 is easy. Input and output. Do you mean by input? Input means we give some instructions to the computer and the computer is give output through the printer or image anything. Means we give input and the computer gives us output. Then the first is print, then input, taking integers, input, formatting outputs, app string. This is the module 3. Now module 4. The module 4 is operator. There are many types of operators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 types of operators. This is the module 4. Arithmetic operators, assignment, and the many more you can see here in this video. And then module 5, conditional statement. Then module 5, conditional statement. If, if else, if else, then nested if and match case. This is the module 5. Then we move to module 6, loops. This is the loop topics. Module 6. Module 6, the first topic is while loop, then for loop, range, nested loop, break, continue, pass. These all are topics of loops. Then strings. These are the topics of string, creating a string, indexing, slicing, string method, in caps characters, string formatting. Module 8. The module 8 is collection. Module 8 is collection. In collection, there are mainly three topics. The first is list. These topics are under the list. Then tuples, then sets. These are the subtopics of their topic. First is list, then creating list, indexing, slicing, list method, then tuples. We all discuss the whole topics in their whole playlist. Then tuples is complete. Then tuples basic. What is the basics of tuples? Then tuples method. Then sets, creating sets. Then set operations. These are the topics. Uh, there are four topics: list, tuples, set, and dictionaries. Dictionaries, creating dictionaries, key and value, dictionaries method. Then we move to module 9, function. Functions having their topics. These are creating function, parameters, return statement, default argument, keywords, and many things. We are arcs. These are the topics of function. Then we move to module 10. The module 10 is module. Module 10 is module. These are the topics of the modules. Import from import, boolean module, creating your WOM module, then PF, installing package. We all know or discuss how to install a package in the upcoming videos. Then module 11. The module 11 is file handling. The module 8 is file handling. Okay. Now the 17th topic is read file, then write file, an append file with statement, SCV file, CSV file, and then we move to module 12, description handling. Topics are try, escape, else, finally, rise, custom expansion. Then the module 13. The module 13 is main file, main. So we put a star mark. So module 13 is object oriented program, short form in OOPS. Topics are class, object, constructor, self keywords, inheritance. These are the all topics we are discussing in the upcoming videos. Then module 14, this is the advanced topic of Python. These are the advanced topics of Python module 14. dates, JSON, OS module, math module, random module. Then we move to module 14. The module 14 is focused on projects. We are discussing or building many projects that includes a calculator, number, guess, game. These all projects are built in upcoming last videos of the playlist. And there are 100 means 100 to 109. These are the projects. Then in 110, 110, we will build AI chatbot. AI chatbot. This is the last project and last playlist of the video when we make the AI chatbot using Python. So we quick revise the modules. The first module is Python basics. Second is variable and data type. The module third is input and output. Fourth module is operators. Fourth, fifth module is conditional statement. Then loops. Then string collection. Ninth module is function. Tenth module is module. Module 11 is file handling. Then expansion exceptions handling. Then oops. Then advanced Python. At the last, module 15 is projects. So, in the next video, we install Python, Visual Studio Code, and write our very first Python language, Python program. Thank you for watching. You can see the next video. Okay, thank you. And if you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, thank you, and see the next video.